Hello students, this is Lode Ettaya. I am going to teach with you plant biology. Today I am going to talk with you an interesting topic, that is radioactive wastes. Let's begin. Here you want to know one thing. Radioactive wastes means what? These are waste material which are produced from nuclear power generating stations. This is the byproduct in those nuclear power generating stations. Radioactive wastes are very poisonous substances on the earth. Radioactive wastes giving off radiation, that radiation cause high rate of mutations in biological organisms, in living organisms. Understood, students? Students, initially we thought that nuclear power stations, they are generating electricity without producing environmental pollution, which means nuclear power stations do not produce carbon emissions in the atmosphere. That's good. So nuclear reactors that generate around 10% of global electricity, even though, so we realized that nuclear power stations giving very serious problems. One of the problem is accidental leakage. Another problem is safe disposal of radioactive waste. Now we are going to talk about accidental leakage. In the history occurred. Now we are going to discuss that one. 3 Mile Island incident. It is occurred in 1979 in Pennsylvania. That is one accidental leakage. Another incident occurred in 1986 at Chernobyl incident in Ukraine, Russia. Recently, one disaster has happened, that is in 2011, Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster in the Japan. So this is one of the serious problem. Students, another very serious problem, that is safe disposal of radioactive wastes. This is require careful management to protect people and the environment. Since nuclear waste is very poisonous substance, you know well. Why we dispose radioactive waste safely? If we not dispose radioactive waste safely, then what kind of effects we will get once we will look for them? Effects of nuclear waste. You can see here effects of nuclear waste. Nuclear waste emitting radiation. That radiation causes mutations at high rate. Okay. If the radiation is very high dose, then it will be lethal to organisms. If radiation at lower dose, it causes various disorders. Most frequently, that will be cancer. So these are serious effects from radioactive waste if we not dispose safely. Then how do we storage nuclear waste? Students, then how to store safely the radioactive waste. For this, there is a protocol. The protocol is deep geological disposal. In this protocol, after sufficient pre-treatment, we keep radioactive waste in shielded containers. Then we buried those containers within the rocks about 500 meter deep below the earth's surface. In this way we can store safely the radioactive waste.